Don't you ever start a new YouTube channel by posting short form video. Short form video has all it takes to kill that channel. Yeah, seriously, I'm speaking from experience. Yeah, I built a channel up to 3,000 subscribers, though the subscribers came from short feed. Yeah, so when I created that channel, I was just only posting short. So the subscribers came out from there. You see, I've been posting long now for good 2 months now. No view, nothing. I even set the setting that okay, my subscriber should receive notification, but still yet nobody was watching. Not that the headline is bad, the thumbnail is good, the title is okay, but the fact is the subscribers did not come from a long form video feed. Yes, they came out from what? Short form. You see, when you start a new YouTube channel, I will advise you to start posting long form video, not short. We know that when you post long form video, it takes time to gain subscribers. Yes, because the algorithm will first of all study the kind of video you are creating and the kind of niche you are creating so that they will know the right people to give it to. Yeah, so if you will be patient creating long form video, that is where the money comes from. Ad cannot run in a short form video. Yes, ad only run in a long form video. So if you want to get monetized and make a lot of money from YouTube channel, it's from long form video. Now, let me show you one story. You see, there is this friend of mine who reached out to me who was like, Paul, you see, that guy has built his channel to 40,000 subscribers. Jesus. You know what it means for somebody to have 40,000 subscribers? But the bad news was that the subscribers all came from short form video. So he was posting AI faceless short form videos, not knowing that long form community is different than short form community, because the short form community, people are just scrolling. People, you know, the scrolling things, all those things, but people did not remember the video they watch. But when he started creating a long form video, the guy was surprised. 3 months he was posting that long form video, no views. The guy was angry. It was like, it's like YouTube put his channel in shadow ban. The fact is, no, YouTube did not put your channel under shadow ban. The fact is, you started in the wrong way. So if you want to get views on a long form video, one thing you need to do is, first of all, search for a popular title that is in that your niche. Then copy that title, take it to ChatGPT to refine that title, then use it to create your script. That is how you gain views and massive subscribers. At the same time, again, if you are posting your video, make sure your descriptions is full of keywords. Yes, make sure your descriptions is full of keywords. Yes, because it is that keyword that rank your video. So when people search for anything like YouTube, your video will pop up. Or let's say if you are in the fitness niche or finance niche, you have to put a lot of keywords on your description. Yes, mix it with the description. Don't separate it that this is keyword. No, YouTube have a different place of placing keywords. So that is it. So that is how to get these massive views on long video. Long form video is the best. Do not try to start your new YouTube channel with a short form video. It's very bad. It can hurt your channel and it will make you remain stuck if you do not know the right thing to do. So if you are coming across this YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe. This is my new YouTube channel. I'm talking about YouTube. How YouTube has really helped me a lot. So I'm trying to bring what I have learned to you guys right now. So you can kindly support me by subscribing. So that is it. Let's go there, because a lot of people are going to make it on YouTube. I'm telling the fact that is if you stay consistent. So keep posting the long form video. Don't post shorts for the now first. Post long form video consistently. Yes, if you post long form video consistently, that is how you gain subscribers. Let's say your first video on long form video will not gain views. If it even gain views, that is God. Yes, your second long form video will not gain views. Your third will not gain views. Yes, if you want to gain the views, like if it is a new YouTube channel, let's say you can post 2 times a week. Let's say Monday and Friday. No, let's say Monday and Wednesday. Yes, don't post every day. Don't post every day. That it can also kill your channel, because you will confuse the algorithm. So post 2 times a week. Thank you very much. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, please. Support me by subscribing, please. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.